Hello traders, welcome to another Forex signal session. Every week we provide you with signals on this channel, Leading Forex YouTube channel. On this channel we have two main playlists, the signal playlist and then the Forex tutorial playlist. The signal playlist is actually to give you an idea of how we analyze the market before placing a trade. A lot of you are trying to learn the Forex market my way, my style. So I need to demonstrate how I analyze the market before taking some trades. And that is how come we have the Forex signal playlist. So today we're going to have another forecast, another analysis. But before we do that, we will have to look at our previous forecast, how it turned out. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. Now, there are some rules to this forecast, and I want you to pay attention to these rules. The first rule is that you put this forecast or signal on demo. And the second rule is that you do this for a period of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and then maybe a maximum of 6 months. Rule number 3 is that you make sure you use one lot size. If you choose to use a lot size, which is for instance 0.05, you make sure that you stick to that rule or you stick to that lot size for the number of months you want to test this forecast. Okay? The reason being that after the number of months you set for yourself, you should be able to calculate, to do a review, to find out whether the forecast or the signals we are giving you on this channel is profitable. So if you keep changing the lot sizes, you may not be able to come to that conclusion. That is why I advise that you stick to one lot size. Choose whatever lot size you want to choose. 0.01, 0.02, whatsoever lot size. Choose and maintain that lot size for a period of 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. In person, I am going to stick to this for a period of 6 months. After 6 months, I'll come back on this channel and then we will analyze the results together. And I told you that I'm going to use a lot size of 0.10. In the last forecast, I told you that I'm going to use a lot size of what? 0.10. That is the lot size I'm going to stick to for a period of 6 months. Now, I am saying that you should do this on demo because you need to study and find out whether what I am providing you here will be something to actually use with your real money. Have the patience, don't rush. I know you heard about Forex to be the money-making system or platform. So you do not have the patience to even wait at all. You want to quickly jump into the market and start making money, making billions. That is fair, but it will require patience. You need to first of all test something and be sure of what you are getting before you start investing your money with it. Are you getting it? Even in our educational system, we go to school for a period of 3 years, 4 years to graduate. Even some doctors, they school for 7 years before they even graduate to become doctors. So if you spend 6 years, 7 years in school, 3 years, 4 years to get your degree, to become a professional in a certain field, then 6 months shouldn't be too much for you. Okay? Testing this for 6 months or 3 months or 2 months shouldn't be too much time to waste. Are you getting it? So this is my reason for setting out these rules. Okay? So these are the rules we have set for ourselves with regards to our signals. But if you want to do otherwise, that is up to you. Okay? That will be your decision. Alright? Good. So on this playlist, which is the Forex Signals playlist, we will provide you signals every week. Expect that. Every week you will get a signal on this channel. And we're supposed to trade the signal. So last week we had a signal. We want to look at how the signal went. whether we made profit or we lost. Okay, so quickly, let me take you to last week's signal. Okay, last week's signal is actually here for us to see. Good. So last week we gave a signal on Euro NZD. Now I am going to put off my video so that you can actually see the analysis well. So last week we gave this forecast of signal, which is Euro NZD sell. Euro NZD sell. And this is the daily time frame of Euro NZD. Now, what was the price that we gave last week? The price we gave last week was 1.7310. 1.7310. This was the price we gave last week. So we asked that we sell at that price. So 1.7310. That was the price that we asked ourselves to sell when the market opens. Now, how did the market turn out? Did they really sell? This is on daily time frame, Euro NZD. And you can see for yourself that this pair actually sold for almost the whole week. So this was on Friday when the market closed here. And then because I am in Ghana, the market opened on Sunday night around 10 p.m. here in Ghana. I don't know what time it will be in your country. But throughout this week, on Monday, sell, Tuesday, sell, Wednesday, sell, Thursday, the market tried to go back a bit buy, and then on Friday, it sold again. So the whole of this week, Euro NZD has been on what? Sell. Now, the rule we set for ourselves is to give ourselves a TP of 100 pips and then a stop loss of 100 pips. That is another rule that we set for ourselves with regards to these signals. So let's see whether we won or we lost. Okay? So we entered here when the market opened, and then the market went up against us for just 35 pips. 35 pips against us, and then started coming into profit and gave us a total profit of 294 pips. 294 pips. But remember, we asked ourselves to go for a TP of 100 pips. So on the second day, we got our TP. On the second day of the week, our TP got hit. Our stop loss never hit because the highest it went was 34 pips. 34 pips. So the stop loss was 100 pips. The take profit was 100 pips. So it means on the second day we won this trade straight up. So Euro NZD, which was our last week's forecast, actually gave us our profit, our target that we predicted. So that is another win for us. So gradually we are having a lot of wins now. So far we have about 3 forecasts on this channel. We lost the first one and we won 2 now. So 1 lost, 2 wins. So we are going to look at our 4th signal today. We are going to look at our 4th signal today. Now, what is going to be our 4th signal? Our 4th signal is going to be GBPNZD. GBPNZD is going to be our 4th signal for the playlist Forex Signal on this YouTube channel. Now, before I take you straight to the signal so that we do the analysis, I also want to tell you that if you want to get in touch with me, you can quickly do that. All you need to do is contact me through this means: Telegram, email, phone number, or WhatsApp. You can do that. So quickly, I won't waste much time on this slide. Leading Forex, our main motive is to help you out of that situation of not finding your way in the Forex market. our aim is to become that alternative that will help you out of that situation. So we are here for you. It's not just only Forex. We are also looking at crypto, and then commodities, and then futures, and then other money-making ventures. So take your time, subscribe to this channel, and follow us democratically or religiously. And I'm sure you'll find out the best is yet to come. Yes, that is what I can tell you. The best is yet to come. So just follow us religiously or democratically, and everything will be taken care of. So I also have a Telegram channel, which is a free one, and you can join that. I also post signals over there in the course of the week. So the free Forex signal channel is named Forex Signals Only. That is Leading Forex. That is our free Telegram channel. So just go to Telegram, search for Forex Signals Only. So t.me/Forex Signals Only. That is the link over here in blue. So the link is t.me/Forex Signals Only. So Forex Signals Only. Currently, I have 580 subscribers in that group. And you will see this brand. The logo is here, Leading Forex. You will see our logo. Once you see this, you join this group. In the course of the week, we drop signals here for free. I also have a paid channel. This one, you need to pay before you can be part of it. The yearly subscription is $100 a year. The whole year, $100 to be part of this VIP group. So the difference between the free channel and the paid channel is that all the signals I share in the VIP group here, I also share part of those signals in the free group here. So assuming I'm going to share 10 signals in the VIP group, you are sure to get about 5 of them or 4 of them in the free channel. So that is fair, right? I'm not being selfish. I want everybody to win. So the VIP group, they get more signals than the free channel. Is that good? Right. Now, if you want to look at our last month results, you can see it here. Last month, January, the year 2022, that was January. We are in February as we speak. Last month, we had 827 pips, both in the VIP and in the free channel. So if you combine the two group channels, we had 827 pips profit coming from both the free channel and then the VIP channel combined. So you can be part of any of these channels. Now, the rule is that the analysis I do on the YouTube channel here is not available in the Telegram channel. So if you just want to be in the Telegram channel, you will be doing a disservice to yourself, because the analysis and the signals I give on the YouTube channel cannot be found in the Telegram channel. So it will be good to stick on the YouTube channel and also stick to the Telegram channel. All right? That is that. Now, subscribe to this channel, and I'm sure, just like I promised you, a lot is coming your way. But without wasting much time, let's go and look at what we have for this week as a signal. So our signal for this week is going to be GBPNZD, just like I said. This is GBPNZD on daily time frame. So quickly, just as we do, we always do our analysis from the weekly time frame, and then we analyze from the weekly time frame down to the daily, and then maybe probably to the 4-hour time frame. So quickly, let's look at the signal for this week. GBPNZD, the general picture you can see here is that GBPNZD is on the up move. It's on the buy, because it broke through the last resistance here and also broke through this resistance level over here. So because it broke through these two resistance levels, it's on its way up. That is the direction of the market right now. But the whole thing is that the banks that we actually trade with, they know that we all know that GBPNZD is on a buy move now. So what they are going to do is that they will try to do a pullback, because they know that once this resistance level is broken and this one is also broken, we are all going to go buy. So they are aware. But mind you, these banks, they make their money from we the retail traders. That is how come they make their money. The banks, they make their money from we the retail traders. So once you set a stop loss and they hit your stop loss, they are making the profit from your losses. So once you are losing, the banks are making the profit. So the good thing is that the banks are not actually against you. They also want you to win. So in order to win, you need to know the direction they are going. And then once you join their direction, when they are going in that direction, you win along with them. So you always want to win. Make sure you look at the direction of the banks and join them. So the banks know that, okay, this resistance is broken, this one is broken, so you are looking to buy. So you have entered your buy, which I think most people did last week. So since the banks knew that, they also want to make money from us. So what do you think they will do? They will take the trade back against us because they know we are all going to be buying. Let me not talk much about this. If not, I may be exposing a lot of things I shouldn't expose. Okay, now the whole thing is this. Now the direction is a buy. Okay, I don't want to say a whole lot of things that might bring me trouble tomorrow. I just want to stick to this. The forex markets, I cannot say everything, but I can say some things. So if I'm going beyond boundary, I need to come back. So I have just advised myself not to go beyond boundaries. Let me stick in the boundary, all right? So enough of what I just told you about the banks. Now, what is happening is that this trend, the trend of the market is a buy, okay? But the banks won't go buy straightforward. So they'll try to come back, make a pullback before the buy will continue in the near future. So if you look at it, the last 2 weeks, you see the pullback happening. Now, there's a big retracement. If you watch, last week's sell came all right, but it retraced and gave us a candle called doji. This is a doji candle. Now, this doji candle, some people will also say hammer. There are a lot of doji candles. This is a hammer. It looks like a hammer. Okay? So if this is a doji candle, so what the traders will think is that the banks or the trend will continue buy because a doji candle has been formed. But I want to say that this buy will only go a little bit and then come back to sell. Yes, this buy will go only a little bit and then it will come back to sell again. So what are we going to do? If I go to the daily time frame, now let me go to the daily time frame so that we can see the picture well. Now this is on the daily time frame. You see that it's making its way up. Fine. What we're going to be doing is that we will allow the up move to continue to this level, to the top of the channel, which is somewhere here. So somewhere here, somewhere 90 up there about. Once it gets to this level here, up here, then we can sell back down. So this is what we are going to do. So when the market opens, we are not going to sell at once. We wait. We won't sell at once. We wait. But for you to get a clearer picture, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. Okay? Let me zoom in a bit. Yes. So this is the 4-hour time frame. So I'm saying that once the trade gets to the top level here, or maybe let me get a zone. Okay, the zone will be better. Once it gets into this zone somewhere here like this, once the trade comes into this zone that I have just drawn, let me come back this way. Okay, into this zone here. Once the trade comes into this zone here, you can sell. Okay, so currently it's making its way up. It will come into the zone here, and the zone is around 2 points between, the zone is around between 2.04705 up to 2.0491. So between this zone, once the trade gets into this zone, you can sell. So let's assume maybe you decided to take the trade at 0. Sorry, not 0. 2. 04705. Please, this is 0 and not 6. 0. Okay. So let's assume the trade went up into this level and then you sold. So let's assume we are all using this as our entry point. 2.04705 as our entry point. But if you get it to up more than this and you enter, that will be fine. Maybe 2.0490 thereabout, or even above there. If you get it above that level and you sell, that would be a good entry. But let's assume you entered around this level because you could not wait. You didn't have the patience, so you entered at this level. Okay, fine. So let's assume this is our entry price. What should be our stop loss? Our stop loss is going to be 2.05705. So it means this is going to be our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be 2.05705. But if you get this entry better, maybe if you get the entry around 2.049 something thereabout, that would be best. But let's assume you use this, so fine. So your stop loss is going to be 2.05705. Now what is going to be your TP? Your TP is going to be 2.03705. This is going to be our TP. 2.03705. That's our TP. And our stop loss is 2.05705. This is our stop loss. So this is what is going to be. So we are not going to enter. Listen to the rules. We are not going to enter into the market immediately when the market opens. We will wait for GBPNZD to go by to that zone that I just showed you here. Once it enters into this territory here, or maybe it even comes out of that territory up here, somewhere here, and you sell, that will be a very good entry. All right. So once it comes into this zone here, you can sell. And when you sell, 100 pips TP, 100 pips stop loss. So currently we are using the ratio of 1:1. And I said that I was going to explain later why we are using this ratio. So expect that video. I'll actually do that in our tutorial session. Is that okay? Now, again, let me say this. We have some currency pairs that moves a lot. They are volatile currency pairs. And I want to talk about them. Volatile currency pairs. The volatile currency pairs that we have are GBPNZD, GBPAUD, GBPJPY, GBPUSD, GBP CAD. Almost the GBP pairs, except GBP or Euro GBP. Except Euro GBP, which is not volatile. I mean, doesn't move fast. Apart from GBP Euro or Euro GBP, all the other GBP pairs, they move a lot. Again, other volatile currency pairs include Euro NZD and then Euro AUD and then Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Euro CAD, Euro NZD and then Euro AUD. They also move a lot. So these are currency pairs that move. So if you are going to use maybe a lot size of maybe let's say 0.10 for maybe AUD NZD, okay, which moves slow. Okay, AUD NZD moves slow. All right. Pardon me with the writing. AUD NZD, they move slow. Or Euro Chef, or these are currencies that move slow. So assuming you want to use 0.10 for AUD NZD, okay, and then you have seen another trade for maybe GBP CAD. I will advise that never use the lot size that you use for GBP NZD for GBP CAD. No. Never use the same lot size. So if you are using 0.10 for AUD NZD, maybe use maybe 0.05 for GBP card, because GBP card moves faster than AUD NZD or maybe Euro Chef or whatsoever, the other pairs, NZD card, NZD Chef and the rest. They move slowly. But GBP card, GBP AUD, GBP NZD, GBP JPY and the rest, they move fast. Euro NZD, Euro card, Euro AUD, they move fast. So make sure that when it comes to the fast moving currency pairs, you will use the least lot sizes. I mean, you minimize your risk as compared to the slow currency pairs. Do you get the difference? All right, if you don't even get it, we'll do a tutorial on that, so that will be no problem or nothing to worry about. Okay, so quickly, all I want you to know is that make sure you put this on demo. This is our new signal. Put it on demo and let's see what the results or the outcome will be. I will see you in the course of the week, and then we will surely see what the outcome is. Is that okay? So make sure GBPNZD, you don't enter at once when the market opens. You wait for the market to go up, GBPNZD to go by a little bit. Then you can take the sell from the zone that I showed you. And then you give a TP of 100 pips, a stop loss of 100 pips, and let's see what the outcome will be. Once again, my name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. Let's see what this week will be, and I'm sure we will make some good profit. Until then, I'll see you with another video, which is going to be our tutorial video. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more.